Good morning, students. Today we are going to start exercise 9.1. I hope you all have revised the concepts of the rational number which I have shown you in the previous video. So we will start with the question number 1. List 5 rational numbers between -1 and 0. So now students, I have told you in between two integers there lies so many rational numbers. So I will show you here how we can find that. Now see here, what is written here? 5. So if something is written here, you have to add 1 in that. If here is written 6, you will add 1, it will give you 7. Here is written 5, you will add 1, it will give you 6. Now what you have to do with this 6, you have to find the equivalent fraction of -1 with this 6. So now can I write my -1 as -1 upon 1? Yes, I can write that, because if I will divide by -1 with 1, it will remain same. Now we have to multiply our numerator and denominator as well as with this 6. So it will give you an equivalent fraction, that is -6 by 6. If you will cut this, you will get again -1. Now what I will do with this 0? We have to do with the same thing which we have done now only. 0 can be written as 0 upon 1. With the 0 upon 1, we have to multiply by numerator and denominator with 6. So I have written here 6 also and here 6 also. 0 into 6 will give you 0. 1 into 6 will give you 6. So now we have got our new two rational numbers, that is -6 by 6 and 0 by 6. So can I write it like this? -6 by 6 and 0 by 6. Now I can easily write 5 rational numbers in between that. The number next to it is -5 by 6. Next to it is -4 by 6. -3 by 6, -2 by 6 and -1 by 6. Automatically you can see we have got how many rational numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or you can write in this way also, because -6 by 6 is -1, 0 by 6 is 0. So therefore you have got your 5 rational numbers. Now again one more example is there. -4 by 5 and -2 by 3. Here you have seen that my denominator was same, that is 1 and 1. But now here you can see my denominators are different. If you have students same denominators, directly you can multiply your numerator and denominator with one number added to your required rational numbers. But now what should I do here? If they are different, first students, we will make the denominator same. You all of you know how to make the denominator same. If here is written 5, you can multiply it with 3, and if 3 is written here, you can multiply it with 5. But make sure that if you are multiplying here with 3, you have to multiply it with numerator also. Only then it will be an equivalent rational numbers. Otherwise, it will not. So please don't forget to multiply your numerator also and your denominator also. So it is -12 by 15. Here is -2 by 3. Multiply your numerator and denominator with 5 here. So make sure that you will multiply your -2 with 5 and your denominator, that is 3, with also 5. So you will get -10 by 15. So now you have got two rational numbers, -12 by 15 and -10 by 15. But you have only one rational number in between them. What is that? Can you tell me? Yes, it is -11 by 15. But I want how many rational numbers? 5 rational numbers. Now we will apply the same method. If we need 5 rational numbers, we will multiply and the denominator numerator with 6. This also and with this also, because I know that there are infinite rational numbers in between two rational numbers or two integers. I can't say this is the only one rational number. You can find more. You can see the method now, students. Now have a look here. I have multiplied my -12 by 15 with 6. Here also, numerator also, and with the denominator also. It will give you -72 by 90. And next rational number was -10 by 15. I have multiplied this also with 6, this also with 6. It will give you -60 by 90. Now I have got two rational numbers. I can find so many rational numbers in between them. The first one is -70 by 90. Next one is minus 70 by 90. Next one is minus 60 by 90. So students, instead of 6, you can multiply it with 7 also, 8 also, 9 also. But make sure that it should be greater than 5, because minimum I want how many rational numbers? 5 rational numbers. If you want 4 rational numbers, you have to multiply it with more than 4. Any number, with any number you want. So as many as rational numbers you want, you can get it. So basically minus 72 by 90, if I will convert it into standard form, it will be minus 4 by 5, which was my original rational number. So here it will come minus 2 by 3 after solving this. So all these rational numbers lies in between these two rational numbers. So now the next question is, write 4 more rational numbers in the following pattern. Here students, you can see the pattern. These all are the multiples of 3 up. Minus 3 basically. Minus 3, minus 6, minus 9, minus 12. What will be my next number? Can you guess that? Minus 15, because this is into 2, into 3, into 4, into 5. Minus 3 into 5 will give you minus 15. So now in the denominator you can see all these are the multiples of 5. What will be the next multiple of 5? That is 25. So this is minus 15 by 25. Similarly, you can write the other numbers in the series. They wanted 4, so I have written 4. You can write more also. So now here the next example. Minus 2 by 3, 2 by minus 3, 4 by minus 6 and 6 by minus 9. These all are equivalent fraction. You can see that because after cutting it you will get 2 by minus 3 only. So now you can see these all are the multiples of 2 and these all are the multiples of minus 3. So next multiple of 6 is 2 is 8. Then next 10, then next 12, then 14, and in the denominator after minus 9 what will come? In the table of 3, minus 12, minus 15, minus 18 and minus 21. So now students, see the next question. Give 4 rational numbers equivalent to 5 by minus 3. I have told you earlier also in my previous video how to find the equivalent fraction. You have to multiply your numerator and denominator as well with the same number. You can multiply with 2, 3, 4. I have multiplied it with minus 2 also, because these are also integers. So you have got here minus 10 by 6. So if you will cut it, your answer will be 5 by minus 3 or minus 5 by 3, the same thing. You can multiply your numerator and denominator as well as with minus 5 also, whatever you want. They all are equivalent fraction. So students, you can find any 4 rational numbers of your choice. So students, now see question number 4. Draw the number line and represent the following rational numbers on it. So my first rational number is 3 by 4. Another is minus 7 by 4. Since they have the same denominator, I can represent it on the same number line. I am trying to show it on the same number line. You can show it on the separate number lines also. So now see here, 3 by 4. I have to divide my 0 to 1 first unit into how many parts? Into 4 equal parts. So 0 to 1 into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 equal parts I have divided. My first parts represent 1 by 4. Second part 2 by 4. Third part 3 by 4. And the next part 4 by 4. So this is my 3 by 4. Now I want to represent minus 7 by 4. It is negative. So I have to move on the left hand side of 0. Similarly, I will divide my 0 to 1 into how many equal parts? 4, because denominator is 4. So my first part is minus 1 by 4. Next minus 2 by 4. Third is minus 3 by 4. And the fourth one is minus 4 by 4. Because after cutting it, I have got only minus 1. So now students, see here. I want to represent minus 7 by 4. The next is minus 5 by 4. The next other is minus 6 by 4. Another is minus 7 by 4. So this part is going to represent, this line going to represent minus 7 by 4. Students, please revise these questions at your home and do the other parts at your home. Thank you. Till then, stay home, stay safe.